Before every crisp is born, the journey begins in the soil. Powerful harvesters unearth the crop with precision-engineered motion. Each tuber is lifted, sifted, and prepared for transport within seconds.
Human oversight ensures every batch meets strict factory standards.
From field to fleet, the harvest transitions to industrial logistics. Every load begins a tightly timed journey toward processing. Miles of open road connect farms to the heart of production. With entry secured, transport flows into the controlled world of industrial processing. Every movement is choreographed to keep the workflow seamless. Precision docking ensures safe, efficient unloading. Each load undergoes visual checks before entering the intake system. Gravity and engineered motion carry the crop into controlled processing zones. Temperature-controlled halls maintain product freshness from the moment of arrival.
Step into the purification zone now.
Hold for thermal scan.
Cleared.
Strict hygiene protocols form the backbone of clean, safe food production.
Keep an eye on that gauge right there.
Got it. Looks stable for now.
Corridors link each processing stage into a unified flow pathway. Raw product enters the main building through a tightly controlled feed system. Supervisors observe the entire intake flow from strategic vantage points. Raw potatoes now move from transport to treatment as the cleaning cycle begins. High-volume wash systems are engineered to remove soil at industrial scale. Once washed, excess moisture is removed before precision sorting begins. Powerful jets ensure a clean, dry surface required for accurate grading.
We're maintaining optimal pressure here. Noted. The cycle time is exactly where we want it.
Mechanical brushing polishes the product for optical clarity.
Human inspection adds a crucial layer of quality assurance.
Optical systems detect imperfections within milliseconds.
Micro-timed airbursts separate flawless produce from the rest. Sorted and measured, the batch proceeds toward the next transformation stage. Pressurized steam loosens potato skins with industrial precision. Separated skins are collected below as clean product moves onward. A precision rinse ensures each surface is spotless before slicing. Skilled hands correct anything machines cannot. With imperfections removed, the product heads toward precision cutting. In milliseconds, whole potatoes become consistent, paper-thin slices.
These fragile slices now enter the refinement stage to prepare for frying.
Starch washing ensures crisp texture and prevents slices from sticking. Water removal is essential before entering the fryer's intense heat. Air jets create the final dryness required for perfect frying.
Precise time and temperature ensure perfect color and crunch.
A controlled lift lets every drop of excess oil return to the system. Rapid cooling stabilizes structure and locks in the crispiness. Continuous filtration maintains oil purity for consistent frying quality. With frying complete, flavor engineering now takes center stage. Hot chips enter the heart of flavor application, ready to receive their signature taste.
Real-time analysis guarantees flavor consistency across every batch. Controlled airflow prevents clumping, maintaining chip integrity. Cooling stabilizes the chips before final inspection and precision sorting.
Industrial sensors guarantee every bite is free from contamination. Precision weighing ensures consistency for every bag produced. Automated systems maintain speed and hygiene during bag filling. Controlled sampling prevents contamination while maintaining integrity of the product. Every batch is scanned to meet the highest visual standards.
Every test result is recorded, linking batch quality to traceable production data.
Each vehicle carries the fruits of precise, coordinated production.
Distribution begins as the final product leaves the factory gates.
And this is how modern factories produce potato chips from start to finish.